Now, for tomorrow, I want everyone to be very clear what you have to do. Now, first thing, I've actually put out a post for all the parents. So I just want to take this opportunity again. Some of your parents are not your dojo. Some. Okay? So please, if your parents have not, please check with us what is the class code, because the class code was given to you. Then we can follow up. Alright? Because a lot of information, a lot of important information we are sharing with the parents. Alright? So for tomorrow, remember it's home-based learning. I just want to clear this misconception. Some of you thought that home-based learning, some of you thought that home-based learning meaning I stay at home. You forgot the last word, learning. Basically, home-based learning meaning instead of coming to school, you are staying at home to learn. You are still attending classes. So, work will be given to you, and this work given to you must be completed by tomorrow. Okay? So, tomorrow I should have 2 periods of math with you. I have planned 2 periods homework for you. So, as mentioned here, I will be giving you a practice paper. Okay? It consists of 15 MCQ questions. 15 MCQ questions, and I'm giving you 30 minutes. 30 minutes to complete. 30 minutes complete. So, when will you hand in this? Thursday. Alright? Practice paper, hard copy on Thursday. Alright? So, I'm going to give you this out now. So, can get the first person, count the number of groups that you need, the rest, give it to the rest. Okay? Pass it to the next group. Alright? So, that is the hard copy, 30 minutes. Number 2, cubics. Okay, cubics has been, one assignment has been put out already. I will show you how it looks like later on. Also 30 minutes. Mainly they are revising P4 work. That's why they are only 30 minutes. Okay, and in case you have forgotten your user ID and your password, still remember, what is the user ID? GSPS plus the last 5 digits and the alphabet. Okay? Remember this, huh? Anyway, you have forgotten, check with your parents, everything is there. Okay? So if you go to Kuwait tomorrow, I'm not going to try. Tomorrow you will go in under assignments. You will see this P5 home-based learning 1st April 2020. Please, huh? Is it very hard? I don't understand. If it's too hard, so what did I say? These are all P4. I mentioned that just now. Okay? So P4 work. So 1st April. So it's actually assigned by Mrs. Jenny Tan, Mr. Jenny Chan. So please, you don't look for my name. Okay, you will not see my name there because Mr. Chan has actually curated the question and push out to all the P5s. I mean, all the P5s are doing this same set of questions. Okay, so we go to assignments. You will see this P5 home-based learning. That is the one. So that will take you 30 minutes. Alright? So, is everyone clear on what you have to do tomorrow? Okay? So tomorrow, first thing will be your practice paper. Number 2 will be your cubic online learning for 30 minutes. Now, did I say what time must you do your cubic? No. Okay, I leave it to you. Now, I understand that some of you, your family, maybe you have a younger siblings or elder siblings who also need the computer. So please do some planning. Maybe you use it, for example, maybe 8 to 8:45 for cubic. Then another sibling can use it maybe 9 o'clock to 9:45, 10 o'clock, for example. So you all do some planning, you all make some arrangement among yourself so that you all don't have to fight over the laptop. Okay, questions? Of course, I cannot assume that everyone has a phone. I mean, if you have a phone, you use it. I mean, of course, but I cannot assume. Okay, so that's why I'm using, I'm saying laptop. Yes. Okay, any more? Anyone? Anyone of you did not get the worksheet? Okay, so is everyone clear on what you have to do tomorrow? Anyone unclear? Okay, alright. So please keep this. This is for tomorrow. Okay? Alright. Let's continue with yesterday's lesson. Pick out the worksheet I gave you. The two worksheets that you were working on yesterday. The two worksheets. One is the one that you pasted. Okay, the one that you pasted. Then the other one is the one that I told you that I want to do with you. This worksheet. Okay, this worksheet. Pick it up. Do you watch my video? I did that. Okay, all right. The video was meant for those who are not sure. It's nothing. Okay, it's nothing about my personal life or things that might interest you. Okay, unless you're interested about something called area of triangle. Who say that? Okay, so basically I just want to help some of you because some of you have been away from school, okay, for too long already. Alright, so that's why I need you to catch up. Alright. Okay, now let's revise. Okay, yesterday we learned one very important thing about area of triangle. Some of you yesterday asked me, can I write this? I know some books they use this, okay? But this is our very first attempt. I appreciate that you can just spell out the whole word. Okay? So what have we learned yesterday after understanding that? Okay? Quick recap. Yesterday we learned that when you have any triangle, okay, in a rectangle like this, we are always able to cut it and put it inside and occupy half of a rectangle. We know that to find the area of the whole rectangle, we just get the breadth multiplied by the height, which is this. Okay? Alright, so to find the area, we just get breadth times the length. So understanding that, if we want to find the area of a triangle, and we know it's half of it, what do? We just need to find the, how to find the area of triangle? Length times breadth. The length, okay, in this case, in triangle terms, it's called height. the breadth in triangle term is called base. Thank you. And because it's always half of the whole rectangle, you just times half. So that's why the formula of triangle is called half base times height. Okay, and to apply to this question, where the base half, where the height will be 12, and the base will be 8, divided by 2, 6 times 8, 48 square cm. Sorry? 6. Half. Okay? Alright, yes. Sorry? Ask you what? Later, this will be start the question later on. Okay? Alright, so that is what we have learned yesterday. Yesterday's activity was meant for you to convince yourself why this formula, area of triangle, is always half base times height. Okay, we actually cut out 2 triangles, and that shows that regardless what type of triangle that you have actually cut, you can actually move it, and that will occupy half of the rectangle. So that's why it's half base times height. Okay, so now what I want you to do is we're going to apply. We've done this yesterday already, right? Okay, so for those who are not here, so very quickly. Okay, so very quickly I'm going to show you. So applying the formula, area of triangle equals to half base times height. So what's the base? 6. What's the height? 5. Alright, so divided by 2, divided by 2. 3 times 5, 15. Okay? This one we did yesterday already, so I'm just redoing this quickly for those who are not here. Alright, so same thing. Area of triangle. Half base times height. So what's the base? Can be 9, can be 3, doesn't matter. And if this is my base, then this will be my height. Okay, so there's no way for us to reduce. So 9 times 3, 27. Divided by 2. So it's either 13.5 or 13.5 square cm. Okay? You can do it behind. Just to practice. Okay? So you can just practice. Don't do my home-based learning practice paper. Okay? That's for tomorrow. Alright, any question? Okay, if no, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you another tool. Okay, can you do, I'm going to give you about 4 minutes. I want you to calculate the area of these 2 triangles, 3 and 4. Okay, alright, 4 minutes. Find the area of this. Now you realize that I'm giving you a little bit more information. Okay, a bit more information, and you have to decide for yourself which one is the base, which one is the height. Alright, 4 minutes, start now. Alright, so now do question 3 and 4. Yes, do behind, yes. Continue. This is 1, 2, now 3, 4. Yes. front of you should be doing question 3 and 4. Now wait, later you demonstrate us, show us how you do the number 3. Okay, some of you even drew out the triangle. Thank you. Number 3, you find that 3 numbers are given to you. And you ask yourself, I only need 2 numbers. I only need the base, I only need the height. Meaning one of the information there, one of the numbers there is to confuse you. Is to confuse you. So is it 10? Is it 3? Is it 5? Okay, so that is the first thing you have to worry. Of course, if you do understand base and height, they must intersect and to give you a right angle. They are perpendicular to each other. I don't know. So maybe that will help you to decide which one is the base, which is the height, which is the number there to confuse you. Okay, question number 4. You have to decide which one is the base. There's only one base there. Later I will ask you, can 8 be the base? Can 6 be the base? Yes, why? No, why? Another 1 minute. Another 1 minute. Okay, come. So, Alia will try question 3. Question 4, anyone? Okay, fine. You're doing question 3, right? Can you do it higher? Do it higher. let me just help to add in area of triangle. Okay, so the formula is half base times height. So half base, okay, and height. Okay, so meaning 3 and 5. We are taking that this and this. Okay? So ask yourself this question. Base and height, they must meet to give you right angle. Is this a right angle? No, right? Okay? Because I mentioned it just now. Base and height, they must always meet to give you a right angle. In fact, this question has been very kind to you. Why? Yes, the right angle is given to you already. Alright, so meaning this and this is a right angle. Okay, so which one can be my base? 10 can be my base. Height will be my 5 or 3?
3.
Those who say 5, is this a right angle?
No.
Is this a right angle? No, right? So is half times 10 times 3. Which one? Where? Which is right angle? Which one? Come. Show us. Which is right angle? Come. Yes, this is also can. Yes, I agree. But it's still 10 and 3. The 5 here is a slanted height, where this 5 and this 10 will not give a right angle. Can I get attention from everyone, please? I did tell you, this type of question is not simple because they are giving you too much information. You just need to be very clear. The base and the height must always meet to give you a right angle. So a question here is, how come not 5? So you ask yourself, okay, let's say I use this 5. Okay, does this 5 and does this 10, these two make you a right angle? No. Same thing. Let me ask you another question. This and this, is it right angle? No. Alright. So we make use the only information given to us, which is this is a right angle. It's confirmed right angle already because this is what the question tells you. That's the reason why we know this and this, they must meet to give a right angle. So that's why this is the base, this is the height. Alright? Okay, so let's complete it. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So 5 times 3, 15 square cm. Yes. It's the same?
Yeah, the answer is the same.
Okay, let's try. 3 times 5?
15.
Why is it the same? Because you forgot divide by 2. That's a divide by 2 here. Anyway, the answer is wrong, because this is wrong. Alright, to you is the same because you forgot divide by 2. Okay, next, let's try. So area of triangle. Okay, now this question is easier because there are only 2 numbers. So half times 6 times 8. Okay, so divide by 2, divide by 2, 3 times 2, okay, 24 is correct. Okay, but my question to you is, okay, so question point is okay, 24, because there are only 2 numbers. Okay, I get erase all one because, okay, anyway, I want to ask you a question. Just now someone asked me a question. Which one is the base, which one is the height? Now, which one is the base? 6 or 8? 6. 8 cannot be the base. Because they are using a broken line to represent this line. So this broken line cannot be a base because a base must be part of a triangle. I'm looking at someone. In case you thought that I don't know what's happening, you're just throwing something. Am I right? So 8 cannot be the base because base must be part of a triangle. So that's why 6 is the base. Okay, so because you need to form a right angle, this base has been extended, form and join to the vertex. So this will be the height. Will be the height. Okay. Actually, if I were to redesign this question, right, I can make it a little bit more challenging to you. What I can do is, if I were to, I mean, since you know the base already, but if I were to extend this question, and I give you another information, let's say I say this is 2. This part from here to here is 2 cm. Or maybe I even make it a bit more challenging. I give you another measurement, 10 cm. Which one is my base now? Still the same triangle. I give you more information. Which one is the base? Is it still 6? Plus 2. Which one? Or even 10? 6? Still 6? Anyone think that no, now you put a measurement here, so 6 plus 2, 8. Who think it's still 6? Who think now, no, the base has changed to 8 already? Huh? No one support me? Alright, so answer is still 6. It's still 6. My 2 here is to confuse you only. Because this is the base. Base must be part of the triangle. Is this part of the triangle here? No. Because this shaded triangle, the base is 6. This 2 is not part of the shaded triangle. Okay? Same thing, this 10 cm. Is this 10 cm the height? No. Why no? Don't say no, why no? If I say this is the base, is this the height?
No.
Why no? Very good, I heard. They don't form a right angle. This is not a right angle. Alright, you find that I kept asking you the same question. Do the base and height form a right angle? And right from the very first lesson, I kept telling you that base and height, they must be perpendicular to one another. So question like this, we can give it to you. We give you a lot of information, and it's for you to decide which information is useful to you to find out what's the base, which one is the height. Okay? Alright, so these are all the answers. Okay, now let's try the next 2 questions. 6 and question 5 and 6. Now the question get a little bit more and more interesting already. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, while doing, so those of you who have brought snacks, wash your hands and you have your snacks. Okay, so okay, let's spend 5 minutes on these 2 questions. Wash your hands with soap before you eat. Okay. Those at home, you can also try this.
Look at the textbook.
If no space, yes, you try to find a space. If not, you can do a postcard paper. Okay? Alright, you cannot just, oh, I want to simplify this. Cannot. Okay? Okay, let's have a walking snack time. Ethan, Phoenix, why do you bring so much food? Oh. What are you for?
Garrett, me all food. One is
so desperate, right? Head must kick something, right? The legs must kick something. Okay, come, let's have a walking snack time. Work out these 2 questions. Practice. Those are having snacks. Appreciate it as a walking snack time.
I
And that was just about 100. No. Alright, I'm going to go through the two questions in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You find the question easy? Okay, not that difficult, right? Once you know how to locate the base and the height, the questions are not so difficult.
Do it your pants.
Any two volunteers? Okay, once, can you help us with question 5? Question 6. Question 6. I'm aware of the short answer test of March, but I really want to complete this topic. I don't want to break it, so I will do it either on Thursday or Friday. Okay? Okay, don't worry, Peter. How do you get 9 once? 8 divided by 8 okay. You need? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, the rest of us, let's come back. Let's come back. Alia, have you done these 2 questions? No? Okay, come, let's go through these 2 questions. No. Alright, come, let's take a look. So, 7 already?
No, it's 20 minus 5.
Let's come back. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'm here.
Okay.
I'm a transition person, remember?
Yeah.
Turn the negativity into something positive. Okay, alright. So, apply the formula, half base times height. So, which one is the base for question number 5? Base must be part of a triangle, right? So, 18 or 24? 18. Can I extend and include these 6? No, okay? So, 18. Alright, good. And the height is 7. 7, do you agree? Agree, right? Because if you extend, connect to the vertex, this 7 and this 18 form a right angle. Okay? So it's half times, I'm going to write it bigger, half times 18, follow what Ernst has written, times 7. Okay, very good. Here by 2, here by 2. So 9 times 7, 63. Okay, very good. 63 square cm. Alright, next for number 6. So a lot of information given to you, and you realize that there are also some missing information. Okay, so in this case, which one is the base? 18. Where's the 18? Huh? Is it 20 is the base? 8 is the base? 5 is the base? No, everything no? Where's the 15? 20 minus 5. Okay, so this is the base. Alright now. Because I told you, base is part of the shaded triangle. So in this case, is the base given to you? No, right? So, but you can find, because from here to here, the length is 20. This is 5. So, the base equals to 20 minus 5 equals to 15 cm. So, half base, 15 is the base. Then what's the height? 20 is the height? 5 is the height? 8 is the height, because this base, if you were to project and convert, join to the vertex, this is the right angle. So this is the same as this, 8 cm. This and this the same. So it times 8. Okay? Okay, so divide by 2, divide by 2. 15 times 4. Can someone help me? 15 times 4. Okay. Alright, so 60 square cm. Okay? TJ? Alright. Any questions? I hope after you have practiced these 6 questions, you are more confident now. Alright, so the homework for today, you will be doing, so not this for today, not for tomorrow. Tomorrow is your home-based learning. So today, you'll be doing this worksheet, and area of triangle 1B, pressure 1 to 10. The one that I gave you yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so that will be your homework. Area of triangle 1B. Okay, this is for today, not for tomorrow. Tomorrow you have your home-based work to do. Yes. Okay, now you received this. Can I just be sure who did not receive this yesterday? Photocopy, good. Who didn't receive? Who didn't receive this yesterday? Alright, now for the last part of my lesson today, I just want to show you something. Now, Let's look at this. Look at this triangle. This is the
Base.
this is the
Height.
so if I get half times base times the height, what do I get?
Height.
The area of this triangle. Does everyone agree?
Yes.
Why is this? Why is this?
Height.
If I find half base times height, what do I get? Area of the red triangle. Okay? Now, look at the green triangle. Do the green, purple, and red, they all share the same base? Do this triangle share the same height? Yes? In that case, okay? All agree?
Yeah.
The bond? Any disagreement? Or do you know what's happening? Okay, so we all agree, right? These three triangles, they all share the same base, they all share the same height. Look at this yellow triangle.
Right.
Look at this dark blue triangle. Look at this brown triangle. Look at this green triangle. So one question is, again, do all these triangles share the same base? Do all these triangles share the same height? No. Which one doesn't share the same height? Okay, darker green. What is the height of this darker green triangle? What is the height of this darker triangle? Is it this one? Is this the height? Is this the height? Then where's the height? The right angle, which is here, right? So they all share the same height, what class? I'm not getting everyone's attention, please. So I want everyone to see is, I noticed that the whole class agree that they all share the same base. But some of you, you are a little bit hesitant to say that they share the same height. Do they all share the same height? Yes. This is the height. This is the height. Because even the green one, they share the same height. Because this is the base. From here to here is the base. And if I extend, I share. This is the height. So all these triangles, they might look different, but they all share the same height. They all share the same base. Then what is one conclusion you can talk about the area of all these triangles? Ernest say all the triangles have the same area. Do you agree to his conclusion?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Wait. Yeah, I agree.
I repeat. Listen to me carefully, class. We all agree that these triangles, they share the same base. These triangles, they all share the same height.
Yes.
Area of triangle is half base times height.
Yes.
So does that mean that all these triangles, like what Ernst has mentioned, they all have the same area? Yes? Yes. Alright? Okay? So what I'm trying to tell you is, these triangles, they might look very different. All these triangles might look very different. This triangle might look very different. But if you really look at the base, look at the height, they all have the same base, same height. They should have the same. They have the same area. Okay? Alright? Any questions?
No.
Okay, alright.
Spot.